So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this error 0x800704f8. So let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is you have to click on start menu and then search for gpedit. Then click on edit group policy and then you have to click on administrative templates. Once you click on administrative templates, you have to click on network and then click on LAN man workstation. Go into this and then double click on enable insecure guest logons. Once you do this, this dialog box would be opened and you have to click on enable and then click on apply and OK. Now then again go to your search menu and search for local security policy. Open this and double click on local policies and then double click on security options. Then what you have to do is you have to double click on Microsoft Network Client Digitally Signed Communications, which says always in bracket. Double click on this and then click on disable and apply and OK. Now do the same for the below one. If server agrees one, just double click on this, disable it and apply, and then click OK and then restart your PC. Once you do this, your problem hopefully should be solved. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.